Picture this, you hop into your Tesla Model 3 ready to go and suddenly, bam, a big warning flashes, parking brake malfunction. Annoying, right? Your high-tech car suddenly feels stuck in the past. But don't panic, most of the time this is a simple fix you can do yourself, no tools or money needed. I'm Mike Brewer, and today I'll show you how to tackle this Tesla parking brake issue step by step. Usually, it's just a software glitch, not a sign of a major problem. Modern cars are computers on wheels, and sometimes they just need a quick reboot. We'll cover 3 easy methods: a soft reset, a full power off, and a gear selector trick. One of these will almost always get you back on the road. Ready to become your own Tesla tech? Let's get started. So, why does your fancy Tesla throw this error? Let's break it down. The Model 3's parking brake is fully electronic, relying on a network of sensors, electric motors, and the car's main computer to work together seamlessly. When you press the parking brake button, the computer sends a signal to small electric motors at the rear wheels, engaging or releasing the brakes. But if there's a glitch, like a weak 12-volt battery, a software bug, or even a failed update, the system can get confused and trigger a warning. Sometimes, moisture or dirt in the wiring can also cause communication errors between the modules. The good news: most of the time, it's not a hardware failure, it's just the electronics needing a reset. A quick reset or software update usually does the trick. No tools required. Ready to see how? Let's jump into the first method. First up, the soft reset. Your go-to fix for most Tesla glitches. Make sure you're parked, then press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 20 seconds. The screen will go black, then the Tesla logo appears as it reboots. Wait for the system to restart. Don't touch anything. Once the screen is back, check if the parking brake warning is gone. This quick reboot often clears the error. If it worked, you're done. If not, don't worry, we've got another trick. Let's move on to the full power off reset. Stay with me. If the soft reset didn't work, try a full power off. Sit in the car with doors closed, tap the car icon, go to Safety and Security, and select Power Off. Confirm. Then do nothing. Don't touch pedals, doors, or the screen for at least 2 minutes. This lets all systems fully shut down and reset. After waiting, press the brake pedal to power the car back on. The screen will reboot. Check for the warning. Often this deeper reset does the trick. Still seeing the error? There's one more thing to try. Let's give the manual method a go. Last shot. Try manually shifting from park to drive and back a few times with your foot on the brake. Listen for the parking brake motors engaging and disengaging. Sometimes this physical action resets the system. You can also manually apply and release the parking brake by holding the button on the gear selector stalk. If the error clears, you're sorted. If not, it might be a hardware issue. Time to call Tesla service. Don't worry, you've done all the right steps. Tell the service team what you've tried. It'll help them fix it faster. If this guide helped, let me know and follow for more car tips. Until next time, happy motoring.